Hello everyone. In our last video we looked at the way we could change the size of our slides. In this video we're going to talk about slide transition. Open the PowerPoint we've been working on, advantages and disadvantages of PowerPoint, and then click on transitions. And if you don't have this one, then you can open up PowerPoint and then you need to add at least another slide in order to see slide transition. Basically, slide transition is what happens when we move from one slide to the next. It's the effect that we put on the transition when we move from one slide to the next. So in this case, make sure you're on the transitions tab, and we're going to just choose this time cube. And we can't see this effect until we get into slideshow and we actually move from one slide to the next. So we're going to click the slideshow icon down here in the bottom right hand corner. And so there it is. That was the cube effect when we just simply came into this slide. And of course we didn't apply it to all, so if I move to the next slide we won't be able to see it. So I'm going to hit escape. And that's the thing you have to remember. You want to apply, here it is right here, apply to all. So I'm going to choose apply to all. And then let's go back to slideshow again. And we're going to see the effect. That's the cube effect. And then when you can click your mouse, there it is again. And if you move to the next, of course we have animation in here. And if we move to the next slide, there it is. That's the cube effect. Hit escape. I'm going to go back to the first slide. Let's try shred. I'm going to click on that one. And we're going to choose, and it gives us a preview if you notice there. And again, we're going to apply to all. Let's try it in slideshow. And so it's going to come in. There it is. We move to another slide. There it is again. So now you have a pretty good understanding of transitions, and there are several in here. If we click the drop down here, this down arrow, there are several other transitions that are found here in PowerPoint. You can kind of play with them and see how they work. Now notice the effect options right here. If you click the drop down, notice basically we can control whether the strips will come in, out, particles in, particles out, and you want to play with that to see exactly what does that look like. And if you click on any one of these and then click on the effect options, then you notice you have some options whether this effect is going to swing to the right or to the left. Same thing with the doors. Click on the effect options and you have your options in there. And so that's how you apply basically slide transition, but make sure you apply to all slides in order to see that effect happen between each one of your slides in PowerPoint.